Ever felt like your bank account was designed by someone who's never actually used a bank account? Like a labyrinth of hidden fees, clunky apps, and customer service that's, well, let's just say it's an experience. You're not alone. We've all been there, wading through the digital swamp of traditional banking, wondering if there's a better way. A simpler way. A way that actually feels like it's built for the way we live now. And maybe, just maybe, you've heard whispers of a bank that's different. A bank that's all about transparency, ease of use, and putting you, the customer, first. Today, we're diving deep into that whisper, that digital revolution, that game changer, Starling Bank. But specifically, we're tackling the big question, how do you actually apply for a Starling Bank account? Because let's be honest, knowing a bank is great is one thing, actually getting your hands on it is another. We're not just going to run through a dry checklist. We're going to walk you through the entire process, step by step, sharing tips and tricks, and highlighting the features that make Starling stand out from the crowd. We'll talk about the app, the verification process, the types of accounts available, and even what to do if you hit a snag. Think of this as your ultimate guide to unlocking the world of Starling Bank. No jargon, no fluff, just clear, concise information to get you set up and banking smarter in no time. So, grab your phone, settle in, and let's get started. First things first, you'll need the Starling Bank app. It's available on both the Apple App Store and the Google Play Store. Just search for Starling Bank and download the app. It's free, of course. Once you've got the app installed, open it up. You'll be greeted with a clean, intuitive interface. This is your first taste of Starling's commitment to simplicity. Tap Open an account. Now, here's where the magic begins. Starling will ask you a few basic questions to get started. This includes your email address, your name, and your date of birth. This is standard procedure for any financial institution, so don't be alarmed. Next, you'll need to provide your mobile number. This is crucial as Starling relies heavily on your phone for verification and communication. You'll receive a verification code via SMS, so make sure you have your phone handy. Now, for the slightly more detailed stuff, your address. You'll need to provide your current residential address. Starling uses this to verify your identity and ensure you're eligible for an account. Here's a key point. Starling is a UK-based bank, so you'll need a UK residential address to apply. If you're not a UK resident, you might want to explore other options. Next, you'll be asked to provide some personal details, including your nationality and your occupation. This is all part of the standard Know Your Customer, KYC, and anti-money laundering, AML, regulations that banks are required to adhere to. Now comes the verification part. Starling uses a combination of facial recognition and ID verification to confirm your identity. This is done entirely within the app, making the process quick and seamless. You'll be prompted to take a photo of your ID. Starling accepts a range of documents, including passports, driving licenses, and national identity cards. Make sure the photo is clear and legible. Next, you'll be asked to take a short video selfie. This is where the facial recognition comes in. You'll be guided through a series of simple instructions, such as blinking and turning your head. This ensures that you're a real person and not a robot. This verification process is usually very quick, often taking just a few minutes. However, in some cases, it might take a little longer. Don't panic if it doesn't happen instantly. Once your identity is verified, you'll be asked to choose your account type. Starling offers a range of accounts, including personal accounts, joint accounts, and business accounts. For most people, a personal account is the way to go. It's free, it's feature-rich, and it's perfect for everyday banking. If you're applying for a business account, you'll need to provide some additional information about your business, such as your company registration number and your business address. After choosing your account type, you'll be asked to set up your PIN. This is the 4-digit code you'll use to access your account and authorize transactions. Choose a PIN that's easy for you to remember but difficult for others to guess. Now, here's a feature that really sets Starling apart: spaces. Spaces are like virtual piggy banks within your account. You can create spaces for specific goals, like saving for a holiday, a new car, or a rainy day. You can set targets for your spaces, and Starling will even help you track your progress. This makes saving money easier and more engaging than ever before. Another great feature is Starling's instant payment notifications. You'll receive a notification every time money enters or leaves your account. This helps you stay on top of your finances and detect any suspicious activity. Starling also offers a range of other features, including free ATM withdrawals, instant transfers, and 24/7 customer support. Once you've completed the application process, you'll receive your Starling debit card in the mail within a few days. You can start using your account immediately through the app, even before your card arrives. If you encounter any problems during the application process, don't hesitate to contact Starling's customer support. They're known for their responsiveness and helpfulness. One of the most appealing aspects of Starling is its transparency. There are no hidden fees or charges. You know exactly what you're paying for, and you can manage your account with complete confidence. Starling is also committed to security. They use advanced encryption and fraud detection technologies to protect your money and your personal information. The app itself is a joy to use. It's clean, intuitive, and packed with features. You can manage your account, make payments, track your spending, and even apply for loans, all from the palm of your hand. Starling also integrates seamlessly with other apps and services, making it easy to manage your finances in one place. In essence, applying for a Starling Bank account is a breeze. It's a completely digital process that can be completed in minutes. And once you're set up, you'll have access to a range of features that make banking simpler, smarter, and more enjoyable. We've covered the download, the information input, the verification, account selection, and general use. We've highlighted the benefits